Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kaac Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babahatam nagabenta ke Jingbuh nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ke kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na benta ke Jingbuh ke Jingseo ke baret but pila ban legu ban kuliah da ke education loan, pila ru ban sekolah number, kendai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kendai pran riu laisan, ar riu kendai pra.
Jingïakren banwan rano ya Jingïak senguthu jimut hapeng ki Karbi bat ki Pnar hakathan khanduli kabalane shibanai tam kala Pulom no namar ka Jingbuh Shai halor ka Jingpenyang ya ka entry tax gate da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hakasnong khanduli kabalong ka dauba dausan jong Jingïakren an hapeng ki Karbi bat ki Pnar hakani ka kenti ya kani ka Jingïakren lang hapeng ki Karbi bat ki Pnar la pelong ka arflai tarik jembang arja apulai ha border outpost jong ka Assam kabadana khanduli West Jingbuh Hills district hakabalai dan lang Assistant Commissioner bat Border Magistrate uba WK Kharbuli BDO ka Namdong CNRD Block uba B Sungo bat Deputy Superintendent of Police ka West Jingbuh Hills EJ Sangma nakaliang ka West Jingbuh Hills District katba nakaliang ka West Karbi Anglong District lami khmat du Assistant Commissioner bat Border Magistrate Rakesh Thakur bat Circle Inspector ka Baithang Langsu Circle ZR Khan kinongalam ki balami khmat nakaliang jong ki Pnar ki kentho wahe snong jong snong khanduli uba Yoshida nong spung MDC ga Baratu Mukro uba Aibor lang sadap wahe snong kalapanga uba Debor mi langdo uriu pau khmat ka than uba perkhat perphet bat nreungot gi wepat katba nakaliang jong ki Karbi lami khmat da President ka Border Peace Development Community Suchen Augustine Hanse advisor Anthony A Teran Secretary Paul Crew bat nyongot gi wepat hading ke thir jingmut ke balane pala sikenta ke jingalang kala siam bigarai ban penne pensa ke jinglong jingman kumba kalong menta kadba omla ban penbe ya ke issue ka bai de ba ke entry tax gate jok Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
First and foremost, I welcome all the delegations from both sides, both the community, the Pnar and the Karbi people. I welcome you to this peace committee. This meeting is very important because I just want to tell you, this meeting, we are always used to have peace between the two communities, between the Karbi and the Pnar people. And just I want to tell you here, Karbi people, they are residing not only in the border, but many people, they are residing inside the area also. I was, just to tell you, I was the video of Jirang before. In Jirang, many Karbi people live there in the Jingbuh district. We all have same we used to have a peaceful living there. But I do hope here in the country so we must be having a peace for both the community. And what is our target today here? We will talk only peace talk. We'll allow both of the community to discuss what agenda. I hope you all from both sides, you have bring the agenda of your own. From country, they must have bring their own agenda, and from your side also, you must have bring your own agenda. But the main agenda is for peace only. That is what I have request from the district administration to all of you. Just to inform both sides, don't talk about this related to this border issue and all, because this is not the issue of the state, it's not the issue of the official. This is the issue of both of the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya. So I request what subjects we have to talk today is for the peace talk today. That is a request from my side.
My name is Rakesh. I am the Border Magistrate Assistant Commissioner of Hamlin. So it's an immense pleasure and opportunity for all of us that we have gathered over here in order to discuss the various issues and problems which has been going on for the past many days or many years. So coming together under the same roof, it indicates that there is something goodwill among all of us. That's why we all have gathered over here. And that goodwill can only be further strengthened if we keep on communicating, if we keep on talking with each other every now and then. Because communication is the only thing which can solve any problem. Communication is the only key. Okay. So now, sir, you want to say something?
I'll say a bit. Yeah.
Okay. So now from now, you just introduce yourself one by one, and after that we will start our discussion. But yes, as the sir has already told, that our main focus will be on peace. Okay, how to maintain peace, how the normalcy can be returned in this border area. That will be our main focus. Okay.
All of us, we've been involved for the past, few weeks, good months. We've been coming here to restore peace. We also, from the district administration, we would wish that that the normalcy should come back to the area, and so that the relationship that was established, that was there for a long time, it should be maintained, so that the the inter-people exchange, it should increase henceforth. So that is the most important thing that we are here for. We do have some other issues like border issues and all. So that should be left aside. It should be discussed. It should be left to the higher authorities, that is at the state level. So we should all take this opportunity. This is one of the opportunity that we have today, that we should look forward to, so that we have a fruitful meeting out from here. So, and most important thing, that both communities, we should be able to come to a resolution, and that resolution, it should direct towards having peace and upkeep of peace and tranquility in the area, so that the people-to-people exchange can continue.
Mentagasngi ngidon ka meeting jonggi ar community Karbi and Pnar community hagani ka snong khanuli bat ngi penpau ke Jingïakren ba naga ar magistrate West Karbi anglong bat West Jantil district kele don lang naka banta kane ka Jingïakren ya Jingya chongsuk chongsan habya day bat kane ka meeting jongi hakabat khadu ngelasim ka we garai kane karai kalong ba hadu ba nagaliang ka Karbi anglong autonomous council kin sa ayang ka official assurance letter naga banta ba ki la remove ya ka tak gates hangde ha khanduli bat ngin sia kendo ha ka next meeting bat ngila rairu ba nagaliang jongi kum ki baswang basa ha ka than khanduli area ngin sia kendo ya MDC jongi naga banta ban pressurize nagaliang ka board council ban yakren bat ki board jonga Karbi anglong council ban weng kloi ya gane ka tax kit nang ba ka chongsuk chongsan ka let ka wan ka rep ka riang kan long kumba chulong kane de ka khubor naga banta kinong chongsnong jong rilum jon tia tungi baro awe